Yeah, this is Vlada from VLADA'S place, and in today's video I want to talk to you about the carrots leaves. So how often you buy young carrots and you cut off and throw away leaves? It looks like we should not be doing that because the leaves are just as edible and just as healthy as the bottom part of a carrot. It's February 3rd and this is the first carrot of this season, and I'm gonna use it all because the leaves have vitamin A and K in them, as well as calcium and potassium. While you're with me, I'm gonna make a quick fresh salad using the leaves from our garden and these 3 baby sweet potatoes. They surprised me. I don't know how they end up in a garden, but I'm gonna use them raw. And also, we're gonna use these leaves. I have some fresh lemons picked just from our tree and a bunch of different herbs which are doing well right now. And I'm gonna use these to make a fresh tea. My whole channel is about eating healthier and living healthier, so nurturing your body with right nutrients and good ingredients is really important. And I feel particularly blessed with this meal because most of the food here has been grown by me or my friends. Can you imagine how much healthier we would eat and how much healthier the earth would be if all of us would garden and produce something so that we can trade among ourselves? If we could start producing food, we would not only get healthier ourselves, but we would grow healthier communities and we would help reduce the impact mega farms are making on environment. This is going to be your dessert for later. They are pumpkin and pecan turnovers. They're ready for baking, and once done, we're going to serve them with a touch of ice cream and maple syrup. Healthy food should not be a thing of those who can afford it. It should be available to everybody. And with that in mind, this year I'm donating thousands of free fruit and vegetable seeds to local public libraries. To find out more about this initiative, visit me at VLADA'S.com.